The end of the universe, a journey to the final frontier. Ladies and gentlemen, today I invite you to journey with me beyond the stars, through the galaxies, and into the vast, uncharted expanse of the cosmos to explore a question as ancient as human curiosity itself. How will the universe end? It is both a humbling and awe-inspiring topic. Our universe, a tapestry of 13.8 billion years of cosmic evolution, began with the Big Bang, a fiery birth from a singularity that expanded space, time, and matter into existence. But like all things, it must one day come to an end. The forces that brought the universe into being will ultimately lead to its demise. Let us delve into the theories that describe how this might happen. The Big Freeze. The most widely accepted theory is the Big Freeze, also known as heat death. Imagine the universe as a boiling kettle. When you start, the water is full of energy, bubbling vigorously. Over time, it cools, the bubbles disappear, and the energy dissipates. The universe works in a similar way. Right now, stars burn brightly powered by nuclear fusion, but they have finite fuel. One by one, stars will extinguish, leaving behind cold remnants like white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. Galaxies will grow dark as starlight fades. Over trillions of years, even black holes will evaporate through a process called Hawking radiation. What remains will be a vast, dark cosmos filled with diffuse particles and radiation at near absolute zero. Time will stretch endlessly, but nothing significant will ever happen again. The universe forever cold, still, and silent. The Big Crunch. Alternatively, the universe might meet its end in a Big Crunch, essentially the reverse of the Big Bang. In this scenario, the expansion of the universe, which has been accelerating due to dark energy, might someday slow down and reverse. Gravity would become the dominant force, pulling galaxies back together. Over billions of years, this process would compress all matter and energy into an unimaginably small and dense state. The universe would end where it began, in a singularity. Some speculate that this could trigger another Big Bang, leading to a cycle of infinite rebirths. Could we be living in one of countless iterations of the cosmos? The Big Rip. Now, consider the dramatic and violent end proposed by the Big Rip. Dark energy and mysterious force driving the universe's accelerated expansion might not remain constant. Instead, it could grow stronger over time, pulling galaxy stars and even atoms apart. As the Big Rip nears, the fabric of space-time itself would tear. Planets would be flung from their stars, molecules shredded, and finally, the very particles that make up matter would disintegrate. The universe would dissolve into an infinite void, a catastrophic unraveling of everything we know. Vacuum decay. Perhaps the most chilling theory is vacuum decay, a possibility grounded in quantum mechanics. Our universe exists in what physicists call a false vacuum, a stable but not permanent state. There may be a true vacuum, a more stable energy state lurking behind our perception. If a bubble of true vacuum were to form, triggered by a quantum fluctuation, it would expand at the speed of light, obliterating everything in its path. No warning, no escape. The laws of physics would be rewritten within the bubble, rendering the universe as we know it unrecognizable. The role of human perspective, why does this matter? Why should we care how the universe ends when our lives are but brief sparks in the grand timeline of cosmic history? The end of the universe reminds us of the fragility of existence. It humbles us, showing how small we are in the vast scheme of things, yet it also empowers us. Despite our insignificance, we are part of this story. Our atoms were forged in ancient stars, and we carry within us the history of the cosmos. Understanding the universe's end also drives scientific progress. Theoretical physics, cosmology, and astronomy challenge us to push the boundaries of knowledge. Each discovery brings us closer to answering fundamental questions about existence and our place in it. A hopeful note. Finally, while the universe's fate seems grim, let us remember this. The end is not necessarily the end. Each theory of cosmic destruction holds a hint of creation. In the Big Crunch, a new universe might be born. Even the heat death leaves room for new possibilities, as quantum mechanics suggests random fluctuations could spark something new. And perhaps humanity or our descendants will one day harness the knowledge and power to alter the universe's fate. What if we could ignite new stars, reverse entropy, or escape to other dimensions? The universe may end, but our drive to explore, understand, and endure will not. We are, in essence, the storytellers of existence, and our story continues as long as we dare to dream. Thank you.